Hey guys, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make delicious taquitos dorados de papa. They're so flavorful, delicious, crunchy, and I'm also gonna be adding a green avocado salsa that I made earlier. So let me show you guys how to make them. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using 5 potatoes and 2 Roma tomatoes. We're gonna add them to the pot, add boiling water, and we're gonna be letting them boil for about 15 minutes. It's been about 8 minutes and the tomatoes are not ready. I'm gonna be taking them out. So it's been about 20 minutes and the potatoes are not ready. The way to know they're ready is if you poke them with the knife, smoothly goes in, and as you can see, they're ready. Or you can do it with the fork as well. We're gonna turn off the stove. So now we're gonna remove them. We're gonna let them cool off for a little bit so we can start peeling them. Once everything is peeled, we're gonna start mashing it together. Next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of mayo and some grated cotija cheese. And we keep mashing it together. Once everything is mashed together, we are gonna add a little bit of pepper. We just mix it again. This is how the mixture should look. This is the consistency that we want. And now it's time to go and make our tacos. I put my tortillas in the microwave for about 20 seconds. That way when I make the taco, it doesn't break. And then we just start adding the mixture. You add as much as you want. And then you fold them. And you keep doing the same to the rest of the tortillas. Once the oil is hot, we start frying the tacos. Now we flip them. Now we set them to the side. And we do the same for the rest of the tacos. It's time to prepare the taquitos. We're gonna add some salsa verde con aguacate, as much as you like. I like a lot. So, crema mexicana. También me gusta mucha crema. Cebollita curtida, pickled red onion. And there you have it, delicious tacos dorados de papa. Okay guys, my favorite part, as you know, cheers. Super delicious and crunchy. Just perfect. And la cebollita curtida le da un extra kick. Hope you guys make them. You won't regret it. Super good. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.